Hey, it's Frank from the art of 3dexperience.com, and today I'm going to show you how to import your 2D layout into Cinema 4D to use as references for your modeling. So I've prepared this plan earlier in Vectorworks, and it's a plan of an exhibition stand, and I know that the width of this plan is 42 meters from this point to that point. So the extent of the plan is 42 meters. So I'm going to go into Cinema 4D and I'm going to press Shift and V, which will give me the viewport settings window, and under the back section of the viewport setting I'm going to click next to the image to find my plan that I've put together. So I'm going to open that into my viewport, and as you can see, it's really tiny, it's really small, and the reason for that is that it's not to scale. So I need to scale it up to match the 42 meters that I told you about. So in my size X settings, I'm going to import 42 meters in millimeters, so that's 42,000 millimeters, and Cinema 4D will scale up my plan to match the real size of this plan. And so now if I start modeling into this file, if I create a cube and I make my cube 42,000 millimeters, it will then automatically scale up my object to match my plan. And so this is how I would begin to create my environment in 3D based on a 2D file. So I hope this trick has been useful to you, and see you later.